Hey there, I'm Morgan, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use Snap and Read in CoWriter within our new website, Snap Explorer. So Snap Explorer is a free website that anybody can use, and it's a great place to start practicing using Snap and Read in CoWriter. So for example, I have actually just finished my training on Snap and Read in CoWriter in the Learning Academy. So now I'm here to show you how we can use these tools in Snap Explorer. So let's get into it. We are going to choose one of our topics, whichever we might be interested in, and let's go ahead and choose science. And we're going to choose something that interests us. So let's choose maybe studying hurricanes. From here, I can right away think how I'm going to use Snap and Read in here, and I already see that I can use my outline tool with my questions. So let's go ahead and turn on Snap and Read. And what we're going to do is first, we're going to grab our note outline taking tool. So let's go ahead and do that. And I was working on another one. So let's start a new outline. And of course we have to give that a name. So we'll just name that hurricanes. Awesome. So let's start to think about these questions as we read. So maybe I want to grab this what is data question and bring it over. Let's grab that. So there it is. And then let's grab this next one here. And then let's finally grab this last one. Awesome. I'm going to delete this one here. All right. So as I'm reading, I can think about what is data, what are two inventions that scientists use to study hurricanes, and why it's important for scientists to study hurricanes. So let's go down here. And I'm going to grab my speaker tool to have this read aloud to me. So let's do that.
Scientists study hurricanes for two reasons. First, they want to learn what causes hurricanes. Second, they want information to help them guess what a hurricane is going to do next.
And if I recall, I did put that question in my outline. So let's go ahead and answer that while we're here. So I'm going to create a new bullet point and let's shift that over a little bit. Now I'm a student that struggles with typing, so I'm going to go ahead and turn on CoWriter to give me that writing support. So let's do that. So I want to say that scientists say study hurricanes to
learn what causes them and
I think I saw a new word called forecasting. So let's go ahead.
Forecast.
Awesome. So then I can continue on. I don't need CoWriter anymore, so I'll just turn that off really quick, and I'm going to move on to my next question. Now let's say I want to look at what is data. So I'm going to go ahead and look for that, but I am a student that needs translation support. So I have my translation on, and I'm just going to grab and highlight my text here. And right away, it's been translated for me on the fly, so I can have that read, and let's go ahead and do that.
Los científicos deben acercarse a él y recopilar grandes cantidades de datos, información.
Awesome. And I remember that was one of my questions too. What is data? And I am sure that it just said that it is information. So let's go ahead and put that in there. So we just want to say data is information. Awesome. If I needed to use my text leveling, I can. And if I needed to use my color overlay, I could. So it's so amazing that I can use CoWriter and Snap and Read within Snap Explorer. So go ahead and give it a try and have fun.